That's why the great souls move amongst us to try to upgrade us and uplift us, improve us. We see examples of detachment, we see examples of steadiness, we see examples of scholarship, we see examples of compassion. Many examples we see, we incorporate it into our bhajan as best we can to improve ourself. Right? Someday we'll become perfect souls, full of love for Krishna, very blissful and happy, detached, healthy or not healthy, doesn't matter, but we'll be Atmaram, we'll be self-satisfied, no hankering in our heart, peace in our heart, no hankering. Akanshati nasochati, samasarveshu bhuteshu. See everyone equally, everyone's my friend, I love everyone. May everyone be happy. Vishram Purna Sukhayate. This is in Prabhupada's shloka book. Vishram Purna Sukhayate. May the whole universe be full of happiness. Purna Sukhayate. Sukha. Let the whole universe be happy. Because when we find happiness in ourself, in our relationship with Radharani and Krishna, then we emanate that. We try to share that happiness. This is devotee.